Next theorem, that is a result. If P x1 y1 is the midpoint of the chord AB other than the center of the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0, then the equation of the chord is nothing but secant, right? AB is x1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c, which is equal to x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c. We'll see the proof. Given circle equation is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. That is equation number 1. We know the center of the circle 1 is c, right? Minus g minus f. Given P x1 y1 is the midpoint of the chord AB. So draw a chord AB. So P x1 y1 is the midpoint. Join CP. Clearly CP is the perpendicular line to the chord AB, right? Because P is the midpoint, right? From C the perpendicular distance is nothing but CP. Now slope of CP is equal to, using 2-point form of slope, y2 minus y1, which is divided by x2 minus x1. So y1 minus f divided by x1 minus g, right? That is equal to y1 plus f by x1 plus g. That is equation number 2. Since CP is perpendicular to AB, right? So slope of AB is m is equal to minus 1 by slope of CP. That is the standard result we know, right? If two lines are perpendicular, then one is minus the reciprocal of the other, right? And that is equal to minus 1 by y1 plus f by x1 plus g. That is equal to minus x1 plus g by y1 plus f. That is equation number 3. Now equation of AB is, we are using 2-point slope point form. Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus y1, which is equal to m minus x1 plus g by y1 plus f, right, into x minus x1, right? So that is y minus y1 minus y1 square. Just we are doing the cross multiplication, y1 f into y minus y1, right? Y minus y1 into y1 plus f, which is equal to minus x1 plus g into x minus x1. So expanding this one, y1 minus y1 square plus fy minus fy1, which is equal to minus x1 minus x1 square plus gx minus gx1. So that is x1, right? We are bringing minus terms to the right hand side. So from right hand side to left hand side, and the minus term in the left hand side to the right hand side, right? y1. So minus x1 in the right hand side. So it will come to the left hand side, a plus x1. Then you are having y1 on the left hand side. So plus y1. Then you are having plus fy on the left hand side, plus fy minus gx on the right hand side. So it will come to the left hand side plus gx, which is equal to, so already you are having minus into minus plus x1 square. So minus y1 square on the left hand side, it will go to the right hand side plus y1 square. Then you are having minus into minus plus gx1 on the right hand side already. So you are having minus fy1 on the left hand side, it will come to the right hand side plus fy1. So adding gx1 plus fy1 plus c on both sides, so you will get xx1 plus yy1 plus fy plus gx plus gx1 plus fy1 plus c, which is equal to x1 square plus y1 square plus gx1 plus fy1 plus gx1 plus fy1 plus c, right? So xx1 plus yy1, grouping g on the left hand side, so g into x plus x1, grouping f on the left hand side, f into y plus y1 plus c, which is equal to x1 square plus y1 square 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c, which is the required equation of the chord. So first problem, find the midpoint of the chord intercepted by x square plus y square minus 2x minus 10y plus 1 equal to 0 on the line x minus 2y plus 7 equal to 0. So given circle is x square plus y square minus 2x minus 10y plus 1 equal to 0. That is equation number 1. So 2g the coefficient of x, that is equal to minus 2, that implies g is equal to minus 1. 2f the coefficient of y, that is equal to minus 10, f is equal to minus 5, then c is the constant term, that is equal to 1. Now center of the circle 1 is, that is, let it be c. We know formula minus g minus f, so c is minus of minus 1 minus of minus 5, so c is 1 comma 5, right? Now given line is x minus 2y plus 7 equal to 0, that is equation number 2. That is a line x minus 2y plus 7 equal to 0. Let AB be the chord intercepted by 1 on 2, right? That is AB is the point of intersection of the line and the circle, right? So let P H comma K be the midpoint of AB. So consider the midpoint P H comma K, right? Since P H comma K lie on 2, it satisfies the equation 2. So put x is equal to h and y is equal to k in 2, so you will get h minus 2k plus 7 equal to 0. That is equation number 3. Clearly PHK is the foot of perpendicular of C to the chord AB. That is CP is the perpendicular distance from C to AB, right? Or CP, the distance is the foot of the perpendicular, right, from C to the chord AB. So CP perpendicular to AB, right? So slope of CP into slope of AB, which is equal to minus 1. So if two lines are perpendicular, product of their slopes equal to minus 1. So slope of CP into slope of AB, which is equal to minus 1. That is equation number 4. Now slope of CP. We are using 2-point formula, right? K minus h, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. K minus 5 divided by h minus 1. So here y2 x2 y2 h comma k and x1 y1 1 comma 5, right? That is equation number 5. Then slope of AB, which is equal to slope of 2, right? Because AB equation is nothing but the chord equation, the chord is on the line only, so same equation are same. So equation of AB is nothing but equation of the line. So slope of AB is nothing but slope of that line, that is x minus 2y plus 7 equal to 0. So we know the slope which is equal to minus a by b. If suppose ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is the given line, then slope of the line is minus a by b. So a is the coefficient of x, b is the coefficient of y. Here the coefficient of x is 1, coefficient of y is minus 2. So minus a by b, the slope is minus 1 by minus 2, that is equal to 1 by 2. So slope of AB is equal to 1 by 2. That is equation number 6. So from 4, 5 and 6 we will get k minus 5 by h minus 1 into 1 by 2 is equal to minus 1. So k minus 5 is equal to, just to do the cross multiplication, minus 2 into h minus 1. So k minus 5 plus 2h minus 2 equal to 0. So k plus 2h minus 7 equal to 0. That is equation number 7. Now we are going to find h comma k, so point of intersection of 3 and 7, right? So we are going to solve 3 and 7. So 3 into 2, 2h minus 4k plus 14 equal to 0. 7 implies 2h plus k minus 7 equal to 0. Subtraction, so change the sign, minus minus plus. So 2h minus 2h is 0. Minus 4k minus k minus 5k. So plus 14 plus 7 plus 21 equal to 0. Minus 5k equal to minus 21. K is equal to 21 by 5. Put k is equal to 21 5 in 3. So 3 implies h minus 2k plus 7 equal to 0. H minus 2 into 21 by 5 plus 7 equal to 0. H minus 42 by 5 plus 7 equal to 0. H plus, taking LCM, 35 minus 42. 5 into 7, right? 35 minus 42 by 5. So h minus 7 by 5 equal to 0. H is equal to 7 by 5. Hence the midpoint of the chord is P H comma K, that is 7 by 5 comma 21 by 5. Thanks.